Hi guys, welcome is the Hi guys, welcome Hi guys, channel is the welcome. Wow. Hi guys, welcome channel. Hi guys, welcome channel to my network. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make 36,000 naira via your Opay app in your daily cashback. You people know what I mean by daily cashback. If you are in Nigeria and you are using Opay, you know what is daily cashback. I want to show you how you will make a whopping sum of 36,000 naira in your Opay cashback, daily cashback. So let's go. Opay daily cashback, like every day that you log into your Opay app, you'll be cashing. If you go to your cashback, daily cashback, you will claim 10 naira every day. You claim 10 naira every day. You claim 10 naira. Okay. So how I want you guys to meet up to that 36,000 is, first of all, we have in a year 365 days. Let's say 365 days. 365 days, that's make 1 year times 10. If you multiply 365 days times 10, you will get 3,650. Are you understanding me? Times that 10 naira that you'll be making every day. You see it? You see it? Total, you get total sum of 36,500 naira. So to get up to 36,500 naira in your Opay daily cashback, from what we are seeing here, you have to spend 10 good years before you can make it. So guys, I thank you. Keep on subscribing to my channel. I keep on loving my content. I will bring in to you next how you can make 500 million from your Opay spend and save. Stay blessed. I love you guys. I will do something, Oga.
Oh, sorry, Oga. Sorry. Now this side is
okay guys, in my next video I'm going to show you how you will make a whopping sum of 5 million naira via your spend and save in the same Opay app. You will save this money and enjoy your life. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on sharing my videos. I love you guys. Bye.